Namaste children. Today we are going to do creative writing, but in the creative writing first we will learn Roman letters. For the Roman letters I need ruler, paper, pencil. For that you need to draw first box. You can see touching to the paper 0 to 18 and a half. Same way you will measure 0 to 18 and a half. This is approx middle for your paper. Please draw very light line, only you can able to see. 13.5, same way approximate measurements I am giving for the paper middle. Draw slipping line. Now, you need to draw a rectangle measuring 20 by 15 centimeter. For the 20, you will take a bigger side. 15, you will take a smaller side. So of course 10 plus 10 is a 20 if you want exactly in the middle. So I am taking 10 here, is a 0, it's 20. Again I will measure up 10, 20. So I will not do any cross line. The measurements are very important. So here you are learning a little bit math counting also. Straight line. Straight line. Now 15 centimeter. For the 15 centimeter, we will hold the paper like this way. 7.5 plus 7.5 is a 15. So I will keep 7.5 like this way, measuring 0, 15 centimeter. And same way 7.5 and 15. So my box will come exact middle of the paper, 20 by 15 centimeter. So you come to know how to draw exactly without folding the paper, and you have to draw the exactly middle square rectangle. Now in this rectangle I need the measurements 2 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So you will measure 2, 1, 2, 1. Same way complete the full line. Same way you will do it down also. 2, 1, 2, 1. When you are measuring this, keep in your mind, please remove the unwanted lines whichever is already there in the box, your plus line. Yes, so now it's a full rectangle is empty. While holding the vertical lines, you will measure 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Same way you will do it over here, 3, 1, 3, 1, and you will join the lines. When you will join the lines this way and this way, you will get this boxes. You can see my boxes are ready. In these boxes, we are going to do A to Z in Roman style. I will show you a few alphabets. Few alphabets you try on your own and complete A to Z. So even I come to know how you are learning on your own and doing very nicely. One thing for the Roman letters, if you observe, the one part is thin and one part is thick, is a broad. You can see 1 millimeter by 5 millimeter ratio. B, C, thin line, D. The Romans stand perfectly 99% Roman writing you can see on the newspaper, books, many shops, names, everywhere. The Roman letters are really very nice to learn. It's very easy. Few students are using in the elementary, intermediate, grade exam also to express the words and express the letter writing. So today we are learning for that only. Now this is a 2 centimeter box. To make the A, I make 1 centimeter. I will leave 1 millimeter from both the corners. I will join the line. When you are using a Nalanda ruler, please use a parallel line of 5 millimeter. Please measure a 5 millimeter. And go parallel perfectly and join the lines. So very smartly the A is standing and draw a slipping line, and please try to use ruler every time. Now for the B. First leave a 2 millimeter distance and draw the line. Again you will take your 5 centimeter thickness perfectly. This is a 1 millimeter. I will draw this part small. This is a big 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter. It's a round. And this measurement also 5 millimeter. You can see. When you are doing C, leave again some part. Draw straight line. Please draw the oval touching border to border all 4 sides. Your pointed 1 millimeter line, you continue with the oval 1 millimeter line. Here you will take 5 millimeter, half a centimeter. This is C. So I show A, B, C. Now you can see the D is again the same way like a B stand and the full D. You can see the E with the strokes, and exactly in the middle you have to do it. In Roman you have to keep in mind the delicate curves and corners. When you are writing a G, so you know how to write D, E, F, that you will write. Now again I show you the how you have written the C, the same way you will write the G. G exactly in the middle. You can see like this way. The same thickness will be coming both the corners, and G is standing like perfectly. Thin thick lines ratio understand and do it nicely. So this is a G. For the H you just have to do 2 lines and slipping line. For the I exactly in the middle. The J same way, only the thin and drop. You have to add the drop, so it's so simple. For the K again you will do lines, thin line, broad line. So please keep in mind thin and broad. L is so simple. For the M, you can see the M, we have used the full box touching border to border and opposite direction of A, and join is a thin pillar and thick pillar. In between you have written the V and you have joined. For the N, both the legs are thin, up you are touching and down you are holding the pillar. So this is the way you will do the N. For the O, again O simple and inside the line. The same way how you have written B, from the B half part is a P. When you write O, from the O it's the same way, it's a Q. When you are writing a B, same way is a P and R. R is a lines, strokes. Now for the S. Yes, I can understand few students are getting it difficult to make the S. For the S, what you will do? First draw a sleeping line exactly in the middle. Then you will leave from both the corner little bit space. Draw a nice 8. Number 8. Now here you will take the thickness is a 5 mm. So I join like this way. You can use your point pencil also to give more sharpen to your writing. So this part should be broad. This is a thin, this is a thin. You got the 8 and how we have finished the S. So I hope it's very easy for you. T, just stroke and two hand. Thin and thick lines, it's a U. V, opposite direction of A. You can able to do it very nicely. When you are writing V, write V and V together is W. Simple X, Y, Z. This picture I am keeping over here to have a look. Even you can online or net, if you just text a Roman letter, you will get the perfect Roman letter picture. Again I repeat, 20 by 15 centimeter rectangle. In the rectangle, 2 by 1, 2 by 1 like this way, 3 by 1, 3 by 1 this way, and I've showed you thin thick line where to go and how to do it. Hope you understood how to write. Please do it nicely and complete with just pencil work. I will teach you what we are going to do for the next week. Thank you and have a nice day.